Okay, so in this video, you're going to learn how to determine the derivative of an exponential functions. And we have two formulas. Derivative of a to the u equal to a to the u ln a times d over dx. The other one is derivative of e to the u equal to e to the u times d over dx. A here is a real number, and we have here a constant value of e, which is 2.71828. And I'm going to give you 6 examples in finding the derivative of exponential functions. We have here 2 examples. Number 1 is y equals 4 to the 2x, and the second is y equals e to the sine x. Now, we are asked to determine dy over dx, and if possible, we're going to simplify the result. Okay? So, para do sa isang first function natin, we're going to use the first formula, that is the derivative of a to the u. And if we're going to match itong ating given function na to dun sa ating a to the u, yung a natin is equal to 4, u is 2x. Okay? So, determine natin si dy over dx by taking the derivative ng both sides of our equation. Derivative of both sides of the equation with respect to x. So, we have d over dx y equal to d over dx of 4 raised to 2x. Okay. Again, ang ating u is 2x, ang ating a ay 4. Okay? So, therefore, dy over dx dito sa left side, at yun ang hinahanap natin. And then, gamitin lang yung first formula natin, that is equal to a to the u. So, we have 4 to the 2x times ln a happens to be 4, so magiging ln 4, times derivative pa ng ating u. Ang u natin, yung exponent ni 4, which is 2x. So, we have 4 to the 2x, ln 4. So, hindi na natin kukunin yung natural logarithm of 4. Okay? As is na siyang ln 4. So, derivative of 2x is 2. So, ang ating sagot is 4 to the 2x, 2 ln 4. Okay? But we can still simplify this. Kung natatandaan nyo pa doon sa aking video about differentiation of logarithmic functions, we can use the properties of logarithm in simplifying this expression. So, natatandaan nyo pa that logarithm of x to the r to base b can be written as r log of x to base b. And this is also applicable to natural logarithm. Therefore, ln x to the r is equal to r ln x. But this time, pabalik. Okay? From here, papunta dito. Okay? So, ito yon sinasabi ko. So, magiging exponent yung ating 2. Exponent ni 4. So, we have 4 to the 2x. This is ln 4 squared. Okay? And 4 squared is 16. So, therefore, our answer is 4 to the 2x ln 16. Okay? So, that is our answer para dun sa ating example number 1. Okay? Okay? Now, let us answer example number 2. Para naman doon sa example number 2, we're going to apply the second formula. It says the derivative of e to the u equal to e to the u times derivative of u with respect to x. Now, kung i-match natin siya dun sa ating formula, yung given nating function, yung ating u is sin x. Okay? So, kunin natin yung dy over dx by getting the derivative of both sides of the equation with respect to x. So, that is derivative ng left side with respect to x equal to derivative ng right side with respect to x. Now, again, ang ating u is sin x. Therefore, dy over dx is equal to, kokopyahin lang. Okay? Yung ating function, yung sa ating expression sa right side ng ating equation. E to the sin x times derivative pa ng u, which is sin x. Okay? Therefore, we have e to the sin x. Derivative ng sin x is cosine x. Okay? So, simplify natin. So, unahin natin siya. So, we have cosine x e to the sin x. Okay? That is our final answer para do sa ating example number 2. That is how to determine the derivative of exponential functions in the form of a to the u and e to the u. Thank you.